Many people wants to know, what is Western Union? Since 1851 Western Union has been drawing people together. At first they were offered a service for relaying messages, but nowadays they provide one of the world's most efficient money transfer services. Western Union provides a huge worldwide network of agents, in more than 245,000 around the world, in over 200 countries. They are one of the leading brands and one of the most reliable and efficient money transfer service providers. Other competitors include Xoom, PayPal, MoneyGram and eGold. There are advantages and disadvantages of using all of them, but Western Union's services and reputation has stood the test of time. Their revenue is over $4 billion, and they allow anyone with sufficient identification to send money around the world, almost instantaneously, usually within 10 minutes. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I am going to show you how to create a Western Union account in few seconds. Before I start this video, kindly subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon, so that you can get all the latest videos instantly. Let's go ahead and get into the video. Despite the ease in using the Western Union, few persons know how to open an account. I shall teach you about this. First, open your web browser. Then, in the search bar, type Western Union. Click on the first link, and it will take you to the home page of Western Union. Now click Sign Up. You will find this in the upper right-hand corner. Now, in the next open portal, you are required to fill in following information. First and surname is compulsory, while middle name is optional. Fill in date of birth now. Provide email address. And remember, it shall be the valid one. And then the password. It should be pretty strong, including all those things mentioned in drop-down menu. Your address. Now zip code. Mobile number. And now, Select Security Question in case you ever need to reset your password. Once you have supplied all these, the next thing is to agree to the terms and conditions. Ensure you read them before agreeing. Finally, click on Complete. Now provide the 4-digit PIN. You will find this an email address you have given before. Then click Continue. Next you'll be asked for the Western Union number, which you can set right now. In case you don't have time, you can skip this for later. That's it. In a simple way, we have created a Western Union account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, if you haven't already. I will see you in next episode of Get Smart. Peace.